Creating a full AI movie used to mean generating scene after scene by hand, jumping between 5 different tools, and spending hours just trying to make it all connect. That's not the case anymore. With Google Flow, you can turn a single storyboard into a complete AI movie from start to finish, all inside one platform. I've been using this exact workflow for my own projects, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to go from a blank page to a fully animated cinematic story in just minutes. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own AI movie using Storyboard Studio. And you'll have a repeatable process for every project after this one. The tool we're using today is Google Flow. And the reason it stands out is that it handles the entire process automatically. Characters, environments, props, scenes, and the full visual storyboard all generated right inside the platform. If you want to follow along, I've left the link in the description below. To get started, search for Google Flow and open the result that says AI Creative Studio for Videos. Sign in with your Google account. If this is your first time here, your workspace will be empty, and that's completely normal. Click New Project, then look at the left-hand menu and click Tools. Scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio and open it. You'll be asked to choose an image style. I'm going with realistic, since I want this to feel cinematic and grounded. Click Get Started. Once you're inside, you'll see 3 sections: Script, Assets, and Storyboard. The script section is where everything begins, and this is the part most people rush through, which is exactly why their stories end up flat. The more specific you are here, the more intentional every scene that follows is going to be. You can describe a rough idea and let Google Flow build the full script, or paste in something you've already written. For this one, I'm writing a survival story. Here's my prompt. Create a realistic survival story about a man stranded alone on a deserted island after his boat is destroyed in a storm, forced to find shelter, food, and a way to signal for rescue before the island breaks him. Within seconds, the script comes back complete. It built a title, structured the scenes, introduced our character, and mapped out his entire journey, from the wreck washing up on shore to the moment he finally spots a rescue ship on the horizon. Each scene includes a description, narration, and transitions already built in. You can edit any part of it if you want more control, but I'm leaving it exactly as generated for this one. Now let's move to assets. This section starts completely empty, but instead of building every character manually, click Autofill Characters in the top right, and Google Flow generates everyone in your story on its own. If a character doesn't look right, click on it, edit the description, and regenerate. Mine came back exactly how I pictured him: exhausted, sunburned, wearing torn clothes from the wreck. Do the same for locations and props. Autofill the beach. Then autofill props like the broken lifeboat, a makeshift shelter, and a signal fire. In a few minutes, you'll have every visual building block ready to go. Now for the part that actually brings this to life: the storyboard itself. Click Autofill Scenes and Google Flow starts generating the visuals for your entire survival story. Keep scrolling and autofilling until every scene is built out. And yes, this works from your phone too. Just switch your browser to desktop mode. Once it's done, you'll have a fully visualized storyboard from beginning to end. Just head to All Media, open any image, click the 3-dot menu, and download it in 1K or 2K. But here's where Flow really shows what it's capable of. And it's honestly my favorite part of the whole workflow, turning these images into actual video. Go back into Storyboard Studio, switch to the Script tab, and copy the description from your first scene. Return to that same image, click the 3-dot menu, and select Animate. That scene description already has everything Flow needs: the environment, the character, the camera angle, the action, so it knows exactly what to generate. Switch to the Video tab and choose your model. I'm using OmniFlash since it's one of the most affordable options inside Flow, and you get 50 free credits every day. Paste in the description and hit Generate. What comes back is the wreckage scene, him stumbling onto the sand as waves crash behind him, and it actually holds the tension of the moment. From here, repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene. Copy the description, select the image, click Animate, Generate. Once every scene is animated, head to the video section on the left to find everything you've built. Right-click any clip to download it. I'm exporting mine in 720p, but pick whatever resolution fits your project. Import all your clips into your editor of choice. Arrange them in order and layer in music, sound effects, and any narration you want. And just like that, you've gone from a single prompt to a complete survival film, entirely built inside Google Flow. If you found this workflow useful, drop a comment and let me know what story you're building next. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.